Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the flex command in SolidWorks on thin plate. With a complete explanation, the each parameter, trim planes, axis, and every flex type, bending, twisting, tapering, and stretching. More importantly, I'll explain why each setting matter and give real-world engineering example so you can confidently apply flex to your design. First, we make thin plates. Click the sketch and click center rectangle and choose the top plane. Okay. And click OK. Set the dimension. For example, long is 100 and the wide is 50 millimeter for dimension. And go to the feature, set the thickness, extrude bus. For example, set in 5 millimeter. Because it's a thin plate. Extrude to 5 millimeter and click OK. This matches common sheet metal thickness used for bracket or enclosure. Why a thin plate? Thin plates often need to be bent, twisted, or tapered, which makes a flex extremely useful in real bracket, cover, and or or panel design. Okay, like this. We can also change of the part of on the plate and click OK. For example, yellow color and click OK. Okay, after that we go to the feature, flex feature. Yeah. And on the top, click insert and go to feature and click flex command. Now in the left of a menu, it's the flex input. We click this part, okay, and we can see trim plane 1 and trim plane 2. For trim plane 1 defines where flex start and trim plane 2 defines where flex end. Why does this matter? For example, if you're designing a bracket that needs flat ends for screws but a bent middle section, you must set trim planes carefully. If you flex the entire part, the mounting hole could bend running alignment. Okay, first we can to try the bending. Just the bending. Set axis to y-axis. For example, we choose 45 degree. Nah, 45 degree created a moderate bend, and we can also change to 90 degree. Makes a perfect right angle bracket like this. And we can to change, for example, in trim plane 1 we set in 15 millimeter like this and click OK like this. And the trim plane 1 at 15 millimeter, keep the first 15 millimeter straight for bolt like this. We can edit again. Right click on flex and edit feature like this. It's simple to make a bending like this. And extend. And we make to 0 again, like to trim plane 1 and trim plane 2. Like this. Natural plane for 0% bend start immediately at trim plane 1. For 50%, maximum bend happen to the center of the flex region, and 100% bend starts only near trim plane 2. Like this. Engineering tip: use natural plane at 50% for symmetrical bracket. Avoid angle more than 90 degree on thin plate, as thin can cause intersection, geometry folding onto itself, especially on short plates. Okay, next we try to twisting. Click twisting. or choose no twisting like this. With axis on Y axis, set the twisting angle, for example, 90 degree, and click OK. 90 degree to rotate the end of the flex region 90 relative to the start, like this. And this is the result of twisting feature of flex command, like this. Real world example: twisted metal strip for decorative bracket or to add stiffness to thin parts. Important tip: avoid twisting near mounting holes. Holes can deform into oval or shift because alignment issues during assembly. Yes. Okay, next. Click right click flex and edit feature again, and continue with to try the tapering. Click on the tapering like this. Set ratio. If we set a ratio less than 1, for example, like this, 0.6, for example, the end of trim plan 2 become narrower 60% of the starting width. Like this. Like this. Click OK. And and the result like this. Click again, right click and edit feature. If we set of 0 in F, and if we set more than 1, for example 1.5 1.4, like this, the end widen to 1 1040%, sorry, 140% of starting weight, like this, of the starting weights. For real world example, like funnel shape plates in ventilation system, transition parts in ducting for HVAC for or machinery, like this. And we can edit again, right click and edit feature. And last, we can try to stretching the feature. I think the stretching is to adjust plate length, like this. We can set the length in here, for example 50 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, the origin the plate, the long is 100 millimeter. You can evaluate to check again the diameter to measure and click in this edge. Now, for the length to become 150 millimeter after we applying the flex feature type stretching, so the plate is more longer from the origin of the plate. It's very simple. Yeah. We can try bending again like this. Okay, flex is highly sensitive to your chosen axis. X-axis, bend or twist across the width of the plate, like this, and Y-axis, bend or twist along the length. And the last is the Z-axis, rarely used for flat plates, but useful for spiral shape on tubes. Engineering tip: the wrong axis can completely distort your part geometry. Always confirm your model orientation before applying flex. You can multiple flex feature in sequence. Example: first applying bending to turn the plate into an L bracket, then apply twisting to add a rotation to the vertical section. Real world example: cable guide bracket with twisted tips to direct cable out of panel or enclosure. Okay, that's a complete guide to using the flex command on thin plates in SolidWorks to beginner to beginner practice inside blocks with in-depth explanation and real engineering example. Now you know not only how to set up Flex, but also how to apply uh, it to create professional bracket, cover, and sheet metal parts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Box tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.